Believe it or not, email marketing works. But the process of collecting emails is quite frustrating. You constantly create new opt-ins for your website, create multiple call to actions, but nothing seems to work. And right when you give up on email marketing, digital marketing experts like Neil Patel say, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to grow your email list with Pinterest to a point where you can get 5 or even 100 emails per day. Yeah, that's possible if done correctly. I'm going to show you 2 ways to grow your email list, but there are a few things you'll need to do before you start implementing those 2 methods. The first thing I need you to do is optimize your Pinterest profile. That means you should add relevant keywords to your title and descriptions so that people can use that to search you. Also, don't forget to add a link to your website by claiming it on Pinterest. Focus on uploading fresh pins to the platform every day. Put up 1 to 2 story pins on Pinterest and reply to every single comment, even if it's bad. Join relevant group boards and start resharing content similar to your niche. Pinterest is a social media platform and a search engine. The more you interact with the platform and your audience, the faster you'll see your account grow and the faster you'll see your email list grow. The next thing you need to do is create a Convertkit account. Convertkit is an email marketing platform that collects emails using opt-ins and landing pages. It's one of the best tools to collect more email subscribers. They have a free plan that lets you create landing pages and opt-ins, custom tags, segments, and get insightful data on your subscribers. Convertkit is what I use and what most digital marketers prefer. If you want to grab their free plan, there's a link in the description below. Now that you've signed up with Convertkit, let's get into these 2 methods. Method 1 is using the About section. Pinterest gives you the option to add a website link and claim it so that people can visit your website whenever they feel like. While that is the best way to get email subscribers, I simply couldn't change the link. In the public profile section, in the settings, my website link is grayed out. Now, there is an option to edit or change the link by using the Pinterest app, but for some reason that doesn't seem to work. Technology. So the next best option is to use the About section. If you have a landing page or a freebie where you're offering a product or a service, the About section is the place where you should be adding your links. Just add a small call to action before you add the link. For example, click here to get access to my premium email marketing course. What we are going to do is create a freebie, create a landing page for it, take the link from the landing page and then add it to the About section. We're going to talk about how to create freebie and the entire process in the method 2, which is going to come up in a few seconds. If you offer more than one freebie, you can use Linktree and add Linktree's custom link to your About section. Just add a small call to action before you add the link. Something like, click here to get free access to 7 email marketing tips. Easy? You can also add these links to all your social media platforms to get more email subscribers. Method 2 is creating opt-in freebies. Creating opt-ins and pinning them on Pinterest is by far the best way to grow your email list. Depending on your daily engagement and how valuable your free product or service is to your audience, you can easily collect 10, 20 or even 100 emails per day if you offer something amazingly awesome. Achieving such results is obviously not easy. You'll need to test out what works, what doesn't, and accordingly create an effective strategy to collect emails from Pinterest. The key thing to focus here is to create specific emails for your target audience. What most Pinterest marketers do is create basic generic email opt-ins like sign up to my email list and get free access to my personal finance tips. This type of opt-in converts well, but a more specific opt-in tailored for most users who visit your website and your Pinterest account would perform much better. Something like, sign up for my email list and get access to my 3 budgeting tips to reduce your expenses. Get the point? Being just a little more specific and focusing what your ideal audience needs will ensure you get more engagement with your pins. On my website, I've made 3 different freebies to collect emails. Let's look at the 3 Pinterest freebie pins I've created. A great Pinterest pin aims to show exactly what you'll get in this freebie. Add an image and text to show people what you're offering. Add a website link at the bottom of the pin. And don't forget to add a bold call to action to drive the users to click your Pinterest pin. For example, enroll now. Get your free budget template today. Limited time offer, hurry up. Free offer ends in 2 hours. Once you're done creating your Pinterest pin, head over to colorhunt.io Pick a color scheme you like and apply it to your Pinterest pin. Also, if you don't know, all these freebies need to be free, obviously, but they also need to provide value to your people. I took some time to understand how budgeting templates work or how ebooks are made before I made my freebies. And to make your freebie, you should do the same. Do some research, build up, get data, and then create your freebie. Make sure your freebie is high quality and provides a real value to your people. My ebook is a starting guide for those who know nothing about personal finance, budgeting, and money management. My basic budget template is for those who need to start budgeting their expenses and need a systematic standard budgeting template. And my 50-30-20 budgeting template is for those who love Senator Elizabeth Warren. No, that's wrong. For those of you who don't know, Senator Elizabeth Warren popularized the 50-30-20 budgeting rule in her book, All Your Worth, Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. Great book, by the way. Which says 50% of your income goes towards your needs, 30% to your wants, and 20% in your savings. This type of budgeting is quite preferred by many income earners, and that's why I created the 50-30-20 budgeting rule template. So, take some time to know what your viewers need from you, what are their pain points, and how you can help them solve their problems. Then, create a freebie. It could be a free online course, cheat sheets, printables, or ebooks. Once you decide what digital product or service you'll be offering for free, head over to Canva, add some design elements to make the freebie look attractive, upload it on your website, create pins for your freebies using Canva, link in description, upload them on Pinterest, and see Pinterest SEO do its magic by growing your email list. If you want to see how I create Pinterest pins for my website using Canva, I'll leave a link to another amazing video in the description below. Once you're done with this, check that out. You figured out your niche, thought of a product or service that your audience needs, and constructed a way to provide it to them as a freebie. Congratulations. Now, all you need is a landing page to convert these visitors to your email list. You can't directly use Pinterest to collect emails, so you'll need to spend some time crafting out a landing page that will convert your visitors into your email subscribers. You can use Convertkit's free landing page, or you could do it yourself using your website's page builder. When it comes to landing pages, depending on your niche and the type of people you're interested in attracting, your landing page can differ, and that's okay. You don't need to copy my landing page or some famous digital marketer's landing page. Instead, watch a few videos on how to create good landing pages, pick a color scheme, and start creating a landing page. For my website and blog post, I use Cadence theme, which has some really good pre-made landing page templates which I can use to make my website look amazingly awesome. Create a Convertkit account, create a highly valuable freebie, Pinterest pins for the freebie, and finally a landing page that connects everything. Then head over to Pinterest, click on Create Pin, choose the Pinterest pin, add your title, description, don't forget to add your landing page link, and schedule the Pinterest pin to the board of your choice. Easy, isn't it? You should also create a pop-up or an inline widget and place it on your website to further grow your email list. Again, you can do all of this easily using Convertkit's forms and landing pages. Links in the description. Once you set up a system for everything, getting emails consistently is fairly easy. If you get stuck while building your Pinterest marketing system to collect emails, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Or you could watch another YouTube video explaining the solution to your problem. We talked a lot about creating a good Pinterest pin, but if you don't know how to do that, watch this video next where I'll show you how I created my own Pinterest pin template from scratch. It's right here.